Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to do velocity edit in CapCut beginner tutorial. Now open your project, tab your video in the timeline. Now select speed or go to speed here. Then select curve. Choose custom. Hey guys, let me stop here. Double click custom. Now this is where you can drag beat points up to speed up or down to slow down your footage or your audio, right? You can also use the auto velocity in the style menu to automatically sync video speed to your music. So if you want to know how, let me go back. Effects. Where's tiles? Not here, not here, not here. Sorry. Let me select the video. Effects, style. Right? Inside, you can choose velocity instead of trending. Right? And this is where automatically CapCut will sync video speed to your music. So consider liking this video, subscribe. It really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.